right, let's go. All right, chat. That was fire. I ain't gonna lie. Here we go. Let's get these people up and running. Let's get this started.
Welcome to Streamer University, the brainchild of Kai Cenat, one of the most watched and most influential creators on the internet today.
We're here at Streamer University. We're here with my guys. Everybody is out here having fun. Everybody's ready. We're waiting for Kai Cenat.
They'll be here soon. I heard about this 2 months ago, and I've been waiting ever since. I heard him say it on the stream one time. Kai, I was on that. I'm in there. I'm talking about in it.
It's a big deal. It's a big, big deal. Okay.
Streaming has gotten really big in this past couple years. I feel like due to Kai Cenat, because a lot of people at the end of the day don't take streaming serious, especially the older generation of adults. Even with my father and my mother, they're not too keen on what I do, but I feel like now they take it serious because they see that I'm actually here with all these people.
Streamer University took over the University of Akron, where 120 of the most promising up-and-coming content creators gathered to learn from streaming's biggest names. From DDG to Agent to Extra Emily, this wasn't just an event, it was a boot camp for the next generation of internet icons.
Kai Cenat's team came to us through our partnership with IRLToolkit to provide all of the technology solutions for this event. And it's huge. There's a lot of people, and everyone's really excited to be here and get started for Streamer University.
This is the first time anything like this has been done, where it's like 150 creators in one campus. So I feel really grateful to be a part of it. And yeah, I'm excited.
Today we got open orientation / moving day, where everybody gonna be moving in, cameras everywhere, just setting this up for greatness. You know, this is the first day, the first stepping stone. This is gonna decide how the rest of it gonna go. So hopefully this goes smooth and we have a great time.
He's coming from that way. He's about to walk in. The dean, the man of the hour, the one who does it all.
Orientation kicked off with a bang, and Kai's entrance turned the room electric.
Have a seat, please. This is why I am who I am today.
Courses like Internet Beef 101
You are not defined by your numbers.
and Defense Against Hating were taught in packed lecture halls, all while millions watched online in real time.
Some of the passwords we got set. I mean, we just checked to see if... Can you send that in the Discord?
Normally, an event of this scale would take months of planning, build-outs, and broadcast infrastructure. But with just days to turn around the production, the only way to make it happen was through tight coordination and powerful cloud-native tools. That's where TVU Networks, IRLToolkit, and Unlimited IRL came in.
Every single feed coming from every single streamer can be mapped to basically 4 slot inputs on Kai's server.
Nothing like this has ever been done before. A mass IRL event directly to creators' channels is totally unfounded. And being a part of that and seeing how the creative has worked out and the workflow that we've developed with IRLToolkit and their relationship with TVU has been really fulfilling to see.
TVU's role was mission critical, with TVU Anywhere giving each creator a high-quality mobile broadcast studio in their pocket, and TVU Media Hub managing the flood of live feeds in the cloud.
This is an expansive test of Media Hub with more than 120 cell phone connections, using TVU Anywhere in the Media Hub and sending those SRTs to IRLToolkit, not to mention the 10 packs with a total of 22 streaming inputs into those.
I'm feeling good. About to get my IRL streaming camera. I'm so excited. And then talk to Kai about our 101s and get like our room assignments and stuff. So I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to it.
Each creator was handed a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra paired with a T-Mobile SIM, guaranteed every creator had the power and signal they needed to go live anywhere on campus.
Ready to stream.
I was choosing between getting a new laptop for editing and getting an IRL setup. So I'm like so stoked about this. Like, this is actually so amazing.
Streamers found their dorms, got settled, and opened TVU Anywhere.
Right here, and then boom. You know, you connected this, the bit rate, if it ever messes up, the delay, you go crazy.
Yo, hello, how y'all doing? My name is Corey TU, and I am blessed for having TVU. You know, I'm thankful to be able to stream on here, and without them, the streams would not be smooth. So I want to give a big shout out to you guys, for real. Thank you guys so much. It worked smoothly, perfectly. Right when I got on here, automatically live, I'm logged in, everything good to go. The connection speed is amazing. As y'all can see right here, everything is smooth. They show y'all everything you need. from the connection speed to the quality of your stream, as well as that showing 5G. So I'm telling y'all right now, TVU is the GOAT.
One of the cool things about TVU Anywhere is it's totally built for streamers. And so not only do we have easy ways that's a one-button connection to go live, but we also have things like beauty filters as well as picture-in-picture, and you can also use the front-facing and back-facing cameras simultaneously for a more immersive stream.
Do you guys want to see my basketball skills, be honest?
As the day unfolded, the stream started flowing.
We are here reporting live at Streamer University using Here's the stream. Can I say hi? Hello, TVU.
So we have our 1100 TVU pack in there, just, you know, cutting up, doing our switches, alternating, trying to make sure we get everything we can.
572,000 viewers right now. We're switching off of the multi-view that we have set up right here. Daniel's got a stream deck in his hands. He's just vibing right there.
Streamers are loving it. They love the ability that they can pick up a phone, go to desktop, and stream seamlessly.
Unlimited IRL was on site providing direct tech support and gear distribution. IRLToolkit's cloud hosted OBS tied everything together, allowing smooth transitions between IRL campus streams and desktop segments, all without missing a beat. The center being a massive multi-view allowing Kai to watch everything happen in real time, TVU monitored every feed from the cloud, keeping things on track. Together, these partners didn't just support the event, they redefined what's possible in live production. In just days, they turned chaos into clarity and made streaming history possible.
Shout out to TVU though, it's all love. Appreciate everybody from TVU that's helping me with this. Without y'all, it would be impossible.